bitch right beside me. House in the valley, green grass and the palm trees. I'ma stay on road, true to the code. Watch it all unfold. Now you know.
So this is the hotel that we're meeting them at. It's in this little tiny town, and it's like a space. What is it called?
I don't know. Let's see. It's called Space Age Lodge.
So they'll pull in right here, and we'll show you guys what the car looks like later. Good stretch.
Very good stretch.
Alright. This feels so good. Babe, you have no idea how good it looks.
Yeah, I had one a while ago.
Did you? I had a black one, but it was automatic, so I had to get the 6-speed, and this is a rev up edition. So. Yeah, and they got 370 Z brakes on it too.
He's so excited.
So fresh.
What's your favorite part? Anyways, tan leather interior. Stick shift. We're back from getting Jacob's car now, and we're just eating because took a while. It took an hour and a half to get there and back. Jacob got a 2006 G35, and it's really nice, as you can tell from all the footage.
Yeah, I was really excited about it, and a lot of plans for it too. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
So now we're just gonna chill at home and probably go to bed. I'll probably vlog tomorrow because we're gonna go on a date night, and it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but it'll be fun, right?
It'll be a lot of fun.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
You know she mine for the night, and I'm not taking no bribes. Keeping the light in your bar. Remember when they all used to decline? Now she hit me all the time.